Hey guys, so you keep seeing CapCut each time you upload your video on YouTube or any other social media platform. So you are wondering, how can you remove the CapCut that appears at the end of the video? And if you've ever used CapCut to do editing, to edit any of your videos, I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. When you upload the video, at the end of the video, you see CapCut. It appears CapCut like a white background and it's written in a black background, sorry, and it's written in white CapCut. And you are like, oh my God, I don't want this CapCut to be part of my video. I do not want CapCut to appear in my videos. So, and you are thinking, how can you remove the CapCut at the end of your video? Guys, that is why I am here today. This video, I want to teach you how you can remove the CapCut at the end of your video so that you can post your videos and just what you're talking about, what is the video is all about is in the video, and the CapCut is not part of the video. So guys, let's get right into it and let me show you how to remove the CapCut at the end of your video. Please give me a thumbs up if this sounds interesting to you. Like the video, please guys, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you are first to know. And leave your comment in the comment section what you think about this video. And also let me know what you would like to learn. And I'm going to do that. I'm going to create a video on it the next time I make a video. And please ask your questions in the comment section. Do not be shy, guys. Ask me questions in the comment section, and I am definitely going to respond and reply to all your questions. I reply to all my. So guys, the first thing you want to do is to go to your Play Store or your App Store. As you can see, I'm looking for mine. You go to Play Store and you just type photos. You type photos. Once you type photos, you see Google Photos. So you can type photos or Google Photos. Make sure you download this first one, this Google Photos. Once I've already downloaded it, so once you've downloaded that, once you are done editing your video on CapCut, for example, just like this, once you're done editing your video for CapCut, you export the video. So let's wait for it to export. So you export the video. Then after exporting the video, guys, the next thing you have to do is to go back to the app you downloaded, the Google Photos app you downloaded, and you edit the video using that application. Guys, do you understand it? So all what you have to do after exporting the video is to go back to the app you previously downloaded, Google Photos, and you go and edit the video there simply by cutting out the part that has the CapCut on it. So I'm waiting for my video to be exported. And that's it, guys. I'm just going to click on done so that it stores in my gallery. And what I'm going to do next is to go over to the app that I downloaded, the Google Photo, and I click collection. I click collection. What I'm trying to do at this point is to just look at to look for the video that I have saved. This is it right here. This is it. So I'm just going to choose the video. Hey guys. So that's the video. What I want to do is to click on edit. And that is the video, and I'm just going to use my finger to edit where I want to edit. And this is how I'm going to do it. That's it. Have you seen that? I'm just going to edit the part that has the CapCut on it. I'm just going to cut it out. I'm just going to cut out that part so that it does not appear on the video. So this is it. And after cutting it out, make sure you click on the save copy. I'm going to click on save copy. So the video is actually saving. And that's it. It's as simple as that. Please guys, do not forget to give me a thumbs up. Guys, so do not forget to give me a thumbs up, like this video so that it reaches out to more people, so that YouTube pushes it out to other people, to many more people. Subscribe to the channel so that you learn many things on this channel. I teach you how to edit without stress. So subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell so that you get fresh content and you'll be the first to know each time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye. So now let me play the video so that you see the entire thing and know that there is no CapCut in it. CapCut each time you upload your video on YouTube or any other social media platform. So you are wondering, how can you remove the CapCut that appears at the end of the video? And if you've ever used CapCut to do editing, to edit any of your videos, I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. When you upload the video, at the end of the video, you see CapCut. It appears CapCut, like a white background, and it's written in a black background, sorry, and it's written in white, CapCut. And you are like, oh my god, I don't want this CapCut to be part of my video. I do not want CapCut to appear in my videos. So, and you are thinking, how can you remove the CapCut at the end of your video? Guys, that is video. And also let me know what you will make a video. And please ask your questions in the comment section. Do not be shy, guys. Ask me questions in the comment section, and I am definitely going to respond and reply to all your questions. I reply to all my Hey guys, have you seen that there's no CapCut that appears in it? That is exactly how we do it. Thank you so much for staying till the end of this tutorial. Love you all. Bye.